Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. This video is going to be all about Exitus Elite and why I joined this opportunity and why I picked it. Over the years, I've been in other opportunities that have failed. There have been some that have failed. There's been some that are successful, and I'm still in today. But the reason why I picked this opportunity is because it's been around for 7 years, over 7 years actually now, and the owner, Paul Stevenson, is, from what I've heard, is a very good owner. If his company is still around after over 7 years, then he must be doing something right. From what I've been told, he's always putting new possibilities of updates out into the Facebook group. He always asks the people what they think about these changes, and there have been times he's made changes to the company, and a lot of people didn't like it, so he ended up putting things back. He likes to experiment and see, because basically he wants a platform that's high quality and will benefit us, the people that come into it. And Exitus Elite is basically a company that sells educational products to people who want to start an online business, or internet marketers, or affiliate marketers. Basically, even if doesn't matter if you're brand new and you want to start making some really good money online, because you have a dream that you want to have more freedom and more time with your family. This opportunity is all about that, and the training that you receive in this opportunity is very, very high quality. I've been around, and I'm experienced. I've been around for a long time, and there's still stuff in there I want to take a look at, because one thing you're always going to learn is that you're always going to be learning. Things change, the way you do things change. The world's constantly changing, and you definitely want a good platform that you can bring your people in without having any fear of them getting hurt. That's something I never want my people to ever do. That's why I do things like Power Lead System and Exitus Elite that have been around for so many years. And both platforms have great founders and owners. So we're going to get into it real quick. I just want to tell you, I'm going to come here to my payment page. Now, in Exitus Elite, we get paid 100% instant commissions, because what happens is, the old way affiliate marketing used to be, it was you would get paid from the company itself. So kind of like Power Lead System. Power Lead System, they pay you from the company. But in Exitus Elite, we get paid 100% instant commissions. So what that means is you can take any one of these payment processors, and you can use these to get paid your commission. So let's say you join. So you come in at, let's say, the G1000 level that I came into. So you would pay the admin fee. Now the admin fee is a yearly fee that you would pay to the company. Now that money goes into the company. That's how we get all our high quality training. That's how we get our high quality lead capture pages and stuff to promote Exitus Elite, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. So the admin fee goes to the company. Then you pay, now let's say you're coming in under me. You're going to pay me my commission. So if you're coming in at the G1000, I'll get a $1,000 commission into either my PayPal, my Cash App, or whatever it is that I choose to use with to get paid. So that's how we get paid. It's a one-up system, so that means at the higher levels, so let's say you come in at the G1000 level, you're going to pass up your first sale up to your sponsor. So Your first sale is basically your qualifying sale. So when you pass up that one sale, you're gonna get all the rest of your commissions are all yours. Now what's going to happen is all the people that come in under you, they're all going to pass up their first sale up to you. So you're not only, and then once they're qualified, they can make all their commissions. So that's how the compensation plan works. Now I'm going to do a separate video pretty much on the compensation plan, but that's how we get paid. We get to choose how we get paid. This opportunity is FTC compliant. So what that means is the federal government or the Federal Trade Commission looks at this opportunity and sees this is a business that's well run. So you don't have to worry about the FTC coming in and shutting it down. So that's a little bit about Exitus Elite. Now I'm going to show you a few things here. These are our lead capture pages here. This is an example of one of them. You can see the high quality. We have cracked the code to $1,000 commissions. Our 5-minute presentation reveals exactly how it's possible to have $1,000 paydays while sitting on your sofa. Our automated system works for everyone. So if you just want to use these pages, let's say you decide just to use these pages to promote Exitus Elite. So they'll put their information in here, and what's going to happen is a series of email campaigns are going to go out to your entire to your leads. So so there's a built-in autoresponder for Exitus Elite. And Paul Stevenson and the Exitus Elite team, they update those emails very often to make sure that they don't go into the spam folder. Now, there's no guarantee. You know how email nowadays works. Sometimes things go into the spam folder. But even in some of those emails, they actually direct your leads to go to the spam folder. So they, on your behalf, these things are going to present to you what you they're going to present to your team. So the whole system is working to do the best it can to help you make those sales, to help you so that you don't have to handhold every single person that comes into the system. Now, I personally, I make myself accessible because I believe that people join people, and if you can see a person and you build that relationship with that person, there are better chances people are going to stay with you because they trust you. And I never want anything but the best for my team. So, but Exitus Elite does a good job of showing you how to do things. So let's go back to the back office real quick here. When you first join, one of the first things you should do is watch the ESS Fast Start and the Getting Started guide. These videos are going to walk you through how to set up your payment processors, how to it's going to show you how everything works in the system. Now, if you do join, you can call me and I can walk you through how to do things as well. So again, I said this for many times in this video. You can contact me. I am accessible. If for some reason you can't get a hold of me right away, send me a text, send me a voicemail, and you can also come here to our Exitus Elite Facebook group. So you'll definitely join that way too. And my Facebook is also in the description below, so you can also contact me through Facebook as well. Send me a friend request. So that's a little bit of the high quality of the system. I'm going to show you a few more lead capture pages here, like this one right here. Got a smartphone, want to make money online? Our 5-minute presentation will show you exactly how you can start an automated online business that can run entirely from your smartphone or tablet. Text your way to financial freedom. Now, when my sponsor first started joining when he first joined Exitus Elite, this is actually one of the lead capture pages that he used to get sales. So, and it's the same thing. They'll just fill out their information, and I'll go in there. So, here's another one right here. And then we got, let me refresh this one. There's an alternative to daycare. You never need to miss one precious moment if you have our fully automated system paying the bills. Now, we have all these lead capture pages for different demographics, for people that are retiring. You can click this one right here. Find out how to make an extra $3,000 a month. Higher amounts available. So let's see. Then they'll put their name in here. So all these pages are very high quality. So let me see something here. All right, so I'm going to go to, I'm just going to show you a little bit about the packages and what you'll receive in all these. So we're going to go to the G100 first. The perfect place to start. Our entry-level package contains 8 courses to help get your marketing off the ground, off to a perfect start. From building your list to going live on Facebook, you'll discover the very basics of setting up and running a successful business. And then you get all of these trainings here. You have a bunch of social media, big ticket machine that teaches you how to sell and get and attract clients, high-paying clients, all kinds of stuff like that. G250 with 10 different courses with a wealth of information. 250 is a powerful, very powerful product package. By implementing the information contained in these courses, you will develop great skills and have the knowledge needed to take your income to the next level. And again, more trainings here. The G500. The third product package is the beginning of our advanced level. The information and skills taught in the G500 package are worth thousands of dollars. Implement these teachings in your life and see what happens. More, there you go. And then here at the G1000, which I came into, the Legends Millionaire Mentors. This incredible series interviews 20 of the top marketers on the internet today. Listen and learn their secrets to success. Over 20 hours of inspirational learning. So you got all those right there. And then the G2000, our premium package is the G2000. We are featuring a further 32 on-demand courses. Future-proof, a new content is released and will be introduced into the library. So you got all these things right here. So there's a lot of stuff in here as well. So that is what you get in Exitus Elite. I will be doing a more standalone videos, and I will be updating my progress. And I'm really looking forward to Exitus Elite in the future. I am really, really excited, and I'm really excited to bring in new people and people in my other opportunities because I found a very good opportunity here. When you come between the quality of the pages that you use to promote Exitus Elite and the training And one more thing also, if you join my team and you come in at the G1000 level, you're going to get more training here. My sponsor created this right here, and he started, these are trainings all right here. These are going to all be training videos. And so far he put up 3, and you still have all this. We're going to be adding more courses in here, Craigslist training, some Instagram training, and then there's more older videos of his on the bottom here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really excited about it, and I can't wait to see what happens. I'm looking forward to those $1,000 commissions. I mean, just 3 sales a month for me would be huge. That's $3,000 extra a month I'll be making. But I'm really excited, and I'm not the type of person that gives up. So I'm going to keep moving forward. I'm going to keep educating myself so that my dream will finally come true. I've worked hard to get to where I am, but I'm finding avenues and places for people to learn how to create a business online. Whether you're promoting whether you're promoting Exitus Elite or something totally different, the training and the stuff that you learn in this system is going to help you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next video, and make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button, and also leave a comment below if you want to talk to me. I love interacting with people, so feel free to connect with me. Also in the description below, my phone number and my Facebook are in the description below as well. So I'll see you guys all in the next video.